Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a project share from my Cobeads items that were sent to me that they allowed me to pick out and choose, and I could make whatever I wanted with them, and I'm going to show you what I made. I'm also going to have in the description box the discount code that you can get from ordering from them, as well as the link to all the items that I have, and link to the unboxing. So, again, this is from Cobeads. They contacted me and they gave me a set amount and I can get some things for free. And so this is the other half of the items I had left from that haul. So you'll be able to see the unboxing haul as well. So, let's just jump right in. So, we have these little nylon multicolored flowers, a pack of 100. And again, everything was cheaply priced. I mean, very affordably priced. You know, it's nothing going to break the bank. And these 20 pieces of these diamonds, oh my lighting, got them in pink and in black. These frosted, again that's a 20 pack each. These frosted, and this was 50 leaves, and it's already pre-holed so you can put a jump ring on them. And these butterflies in various colors, and that was a 10 pack. 10 pack of these red hearts. Yep, and then this one, I believe is 100 of these gold spacers. So I had all of these, and I wanted to make some projects with them. And they shipped relatively fast. Got here all bubble wrapped, and again you can see the video of the unboxing that I sent. So what I did was, since I had mainly charms, I decided to, you know, do some things with some charms. And so what I made was, I used some stuff I already had in my stash, some alphabets, and I decorated some safety pins. And so this one, the word says heal, hashtag heal, and I just added a jump ring. I added one of the gold spacers and one of the frosted leaves. Again, I will have pictures on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative channel. This one says bold, hashtag bold, and again you can see that flower, and this one is yellow, and I've got a spacer, 2 spacers on this one, and a jump ring, and this one says bold, and that one's in gold, and these 2 are in black, and this one says heart and has the word flow. I have a little dangle that I made with some beads that I got from Miss Cree. Right here, Lady Cree Fun Creations, and then here's my little red floral flower, and I had both of those dangling off the end. And then my last one says hashtag love, and then there's that red heart. So you can see those items right here that I used. And then I also decided to alter some pencils with some dangles. Very easy to do. I just added a head screw, and then what's the name of that? That's the head screw. I forgot if that's the right name. But anyway, on this one I had a dangle that I made. Again, these were some beads that I had from Lady Cree for Miss Fun Creations, and I ordered from her website, and I made that dangle. And then here is that pink diamond and that pink floral ribbon flower dangle. So I added that, so I have 2 dangles here. And again, you can, and I just attached it by a chain. So you can do all kinds of things however you want to dangle your items on your pencil. And then on this pencil, I added 4. I added 2 different leaves, the butterfly, and another one of those flowers. So I added a frosted pink leaf, and then that green butterfly, and a frosted green leaf, and then a coral flower dangle on the end. So again, I added 4 of the charms. They all adhered very well, easy to use. And the last pencil, and again I got all these pencils from the Dollar Tree, and I've shown them in my hauls, is the zebra pencil, and I just put a little bit of bling at the top. And on this charm, it has a handmade with love. That's just a little charm I already had previously. And then this little black butterfly again, and this is a little seed dangle with a Oh my goodness, I'm going to say hibachi. It's not food, Dawn. You know what I'm talking about, hashi beads. And then the black dangles. So I really like these flower dangles. I thought they were really cute, and they added, you know, just a nice touch to any project. So they're easy to work with. And these, they have them in gold and in silver. I got the ones that had the gold tip at the end, but they have them in silver as well. Or you can get a mixed one. So I got that one. I wanted to get the big pack, and I got all gold, but you can choose gold or silver. So those were the 3 pencils that are altered, and the 4 safety pins. Very quick, easy projects, but just something besides, you know, that you can add them on. Pokey tools, stick pins, hat pins, all kinds of things that you can add your dangles onto. So ink pens, all of those kind of things. So again, if you're looking for a lot of different findings, they have a lot of different things on their website. Go check them out. Very affordable prices. Again, it's Cobeads, and everything will be in the link below. And so thank you so much for taking the time to like, watch, and subscribe. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.